Honorable Twinamatsiko Onesmus Obwahati nuwe Vice Chairperson wa NRM ahabwa Kakumiro District kandi nuwe ine bendera ya NRM ahabwa entebe y'omunyeshengero wa Bugangizi East omu district eje ya Kakumiro okurigirira hamuramuzi wa Koteji Nazifa Namayanja. Honorable Onesmus Twinamatsiko akatera kandi yakutaze nganzi yihanga Robina Nabanja ahabiri 17 byo kwa mushanju 2025 obabere bari NRM House yo Kakumiro ombwire bw'akaruru ko kukwata ebendera y'ekigombe kya NRM ahantebe y'abanyeshengero. Baitu Onesmus Twinamatsiko yayehakanda kimwe omushango ogu kandi yashaba koti okumuha obwema ahabwa obujunanizibwa bwingi obwine obutari bumwe na bumwe.
Elections July 17th, I have been aware in Kampala there was a petition which kept me away from my people. There was a petition against me, so it kept me away from my people. And the ruling was in my favor. Yes, so it's my prayer, since we also have nominations very soon, next month, that court really grants me a bill to do thorough preparations for my nominations for the position of MP Bugangizi East. Since I'm the NRM flag bearer also.
Baitu Koteji tiyabasa kumuha bwema kandi omuramuzi Namayanja Nazifa abwe myaka y'abema be abari mu chairman wa district ya Kakumiro Sentayi Joseph Lawrence Bazara hamwe na Twimche Moses kandi nuko kumutsindika aha remanda omuchome ekya Kibale government prison okwitya ebiri 10 ebyokwezi oku.
Kasita Town Council Kakumiro district. So the accused person is remanded to Kibale government prison till 10 September 2025.
Chairman wa district ya Kakumiro Sentayi Joseph nagira nguwe takureba enshonga abwenki Onesmus bamwimo bwema.
Nyotindo zero nsonga habukuba state yagambire ngo ensonga emyaka jeitu nyonyi na 56 oli abayira ina 57 Moses abayira ina anana okutukwemera ina 38 ngo emyaka jeitu mito tije kusobora kuhabura oli ina 38 kugaruka omukoti kandi nekyakandi mututukurugo mu kyaro nico kimu.
Abashagiki ba Honorable Onesmus Twinamatsiko bayetombe itwa munonga ahabo kumwimo bwema.
Bagira buzibu abo kwa abantu bitu kuko twaruga mpasano witwaza kumanya ngo ishicabaho tukavuga twirukanga twayika Kakumiro tukashanga bitariyo hatagamaye turishibareka kuna ibamukomera okutwirukanga twaturi ngabali mu nyonyi enyuma twasiga abantu bemereze imitima twashanga ngo twaza kugira buzibu bwo karuruko mmesho kwegesa abantu furaga bera mu mwaka ruru NRM mu mujya karuru ni pate yitu etworwire etkurize ito batuteka ho mugugu
ma ubura shwabuta ngwe nyaka yitu teyikire yo kwabura Onesmus kandi constitution yitu yihanga eragama ngo umuntu wena omazire nyaka umuntu wamara kuhinguza nyaka 18 uraba wabo umuntu mukuru hati nyo mushijo ine nyaka 5 kora borangira ngo ubwire bwo kuhabura umuntu wunda zara ngo utibuka kozire ki ngo utibuka yikire hata worara ko tinyonda reba tiyasharamo buringanize rizoba.
Honorable Onesmus Twinamatsiko yakwaturwa aha polisi ya Hoima nuko koretwa mu district ya Kibale ahi bamtera hemshango kandi bakamtsindika ha remanda agagasha Onesmus turi yahabwe abwata ya West.